Hello everyone, here are 50 general knowledge questions for your competitive exams based on human body in this video. Question 1. Which gland disappears during old age? It is thymus. Thymus gland disappears during old age. This gland is located in the chest between lungs and sternum. This gland is largest during the childhood and it plays very important role in immunity system. Question number 2. Normal respiratory rate in adult human is 16 to 20 per minute. Note the respiratory rate in newborn baby up to the age of 1 year. It is between 30 to 60 per minute. Question number 3. Total number of bones in human adult. Total number of bones in human adult are 206. In baby's body, about 300 bones are there at the time of birth. Question number 4. Blood plasma from which among the following removed is called serum. When fibrinogen is removed from blood plasma, it is called as serum. Question 5. The blood group which contains no antibodies. It is blood group AB, which has no antibodies but both the antigens, antigen A as well as antigen B are present. This is also called as universal recipient. While blood group O, it has both the antibodies, antibody A as well as antibody B, but no antigens are present. It is a universal donor. Question 6. Which vitamin is also called as retinol? Vitamin A is also called as retinol. Question 7. The gastric juice in the stomach contains hydrochloric acid. Question 8. Master endocrine gland of the body. Master endocrine gland of the body is pituitary. It is situated in the brain and it controls many endocrine glands in the body. That's why it is called as master endocrine gland. Question number 9. Which among the following hormone can be used as a drug to treat cardiac arrest and some other cardiac problems? It is epinephrine, which is also known as adrenaline, is used to treat a number of conditions including cardiac arrest, asthma and anaphylaxis, etc. Question 10. Maximum number of sweat glands are present in which part of human body? Sweat glands are distributed all over the human body with the highest density in palms and soles than on other parts of the body. So correct answer is palm of hand. Question 11. Which among the following blood protein regulates the amount of water in plasma? Albumin. It constitutes approximately 60% of all of the plasma protein, which helps in maintaining amount of water in plasma, thus help in maintaining osmotic pressure. Question number 12. The ability of eye to see in dark means in low light is due to the presence of purple pigment this pigment is known as rhodopsin. It is found in rods of retina and help the eye to see in dim light. Question number 13. Dash is the voice box in human beings. It is larynx present in the neck region. Question number 14. The largest gland in human body. Liver is the largest gland in human body. Question 15. Tissue in man where no cell division takes place after birth. Nerves. In nerves, no cell division takes place after birth. 16. Name the element which is found abundantly in living system. Oxygen is the element which is found abundantly in living system. 17. Hardest part of human body. Enamel of tooth is the hardest part of human body. 18. The color of eye depends upon the pigment present in. The color of eye is due to melanin pigment present in iris of eye. People with brown eyes have large amount of melanin in iris, while people with blue eyes have less amount of melanin in eyes. 19. Dental formula of an adult man. It is 2123 upon 2123, means there are 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 3 molars in the upper half jaw and 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 3 molars in the lower half jaw. Clear? Question 20. How many vertebrae are found in adult human vertebral column? 26 vertebrae are found in adult human vertebral column, which includes 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 1 fused sacral and 1 fused tailbone. 21. Dash connects the middle ear with the pharynx. Eustachian tube. This is the eustachian tube which connects the middle ear with the pharynx. 22. The process which helps in removing urea from blood in patients with malfunctioning of kidney. This process is called as dialysis or hemodialysis. 23. Pacemaker of heart is sinoatrial node or SA node. 24. A healthy individual has dash grams of hemoglobin. A healthy individual has 12 to 16 grams of hemoglobin per 100 milliliter of blood. Question 25. Name the smallest bone in human body. Stapes is the smallest bone in human body. Middle ear has 3 bones, malleus, incus and stapes is the smallest bone present in human body. 26. Why blood does not clot inside blood vessel? Because of the presence of heparin, which is an anticoagulant produced by liver, blood does not clot inside the blood vessel. 27. In human body, formation of red blood cells occurs in bone marrow, and the process of formation of red blood cell is called as erythropoiesis. 28. Human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 310 Kelvin. 29. What is the pH of blood? The pH of blood is 7.35 to 7.45. It is slightly basic in nature. Question 30. Nails and hair are made up of which of the following protein? Nails and hair are made up of keratin. 31. Which is the largest organ in human body? Skin is the largest organ in human body. 32. Which gland produces tears in human body? Lacrimal gland present in eyes, they produce tears in human body. 33. Name the longest and the heaviest bone of the body. Longest and the heaviest bone of the body is femur. This is the femur which is the longest and the heaviest bone of the body. 34. Name the only movable bone in the skull of man. Skull of man has 22 bones. 8 are cranial bones and 14 are facial bones. Out of these, mandible bone or the lower jaw bone is movable. 35. Which part of central nervous system controls reflex action? It is spinal cord which controls reflex actions. 36. Among sodium, potassium, magnesium and iodine, which is or are required for transmission of nerve impulses? Sodium, potassium and magnesium are required for transmission of nerve impulses. 37. Islets of Langerhans are related to which of the following? Islets of Langerhans are present in pancreas and are responsible for secretion of hormone insulin. This hormone is responsible for controlling blood glucose level. 38. Which component of light causes suppression of melatonin produced by the pineal gland? Exposure to blue light during the day is important to suppress melatonin secretion produced by pineal gland, and melatonin plays an important role in circadian rhythm. 39. Which structure connects one bone to another bone? Ligaments connect one bone to another bone, while tendons connect one bone to a muscle. Question 40. A goiter is also called as, its other name is bronchocele. It happens when thyroid glands get enlarged and is developed due to deficiency of iodine. Due to this, there is a swelling in the neck region. 41. Where does exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide, take place in our lungs? In alveoli of lungs, the exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. 42. Which among the following live tissues of the human eye does not have blood vessels? It is cornea of eye which has no blood vessels. 43. Fatigue is caused because of formation and deposition of which of the following acids in muscles? Accumulation of lactic acid in muscle led to fatigue. 44. Clavicle in human body is collarbone. This is the collarbone or the clavicle. 45. How many pairs of ribs are present in human body? 12 pairs of ribs are present in human body. 46. The most common use of silicone hydrogels is making of which of the following? Silicone hydrogels is used for making contact lenses. 47. What would be the percentage of glucose in the human urine of a healthy person? A percentage of glucose in the urine of healthy person is 0%. A higher measurement could be a sign of health problems. 48. Which cation is required for clotting of blood? Calcium ion is required for clotting of blood. Note some abbreviations. ECG is electrocardiogram, EEG is electroencephalogram, BMR is basal metabolic rate, RH factor is rhesus factor, BMD is bone mineral density. Now question 50. Lifespan of RBCs. Lifespan of RBCs is 120 days. RBCs are non-nucleated. Lifespan of WBCs is 10 to 15 days. WBCs are nucleated. Lifespan of platelets is 8 to 9 days and platelets have no nucleus. So, that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.